Dun, 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 dun. Why? You're a roamer nga pala. Anong hero ko nun? Alam mo, Kian, uminom ka ng gamot. Ano yun, masama na yan. Okay, fine. But I'm not a fighter. Maybe your eyes maybe your eyes were blurry. Blurry. Your eyes were so bright. Sometimes I will buhat-buhat you. What you say is right, Mythic. Hi. Oh! Your bio has changed. Your bio has changed. You don't have asawa na. Your bio has changed. You don't have asawa na. Last time I saw your bio, there was a asawa. It was a joke. So you don't have asawa na. That's why you're broken. Oh, I understand na. Huh? Choppy. Magra play off. Huh? What? Ugugutom na ako. I'm so hungry. I will buhat you later or tomorrow. Your joke is not... Your joke is so funny pala. It's so bright. It was for people to leave me alone. Okay. It was a joke. I thought it's true. Oh, but the joke is it was successful. But you erase it na, so people might go collect you again.